Are there?
Two.
Two. Here is number 2. Here, yes. Next, how many birds?
One.
One bird. Now, match with number 1. Very good. Next, how many pencils are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. 5 pencils. Say 5 pencils. Bolo 5 pencils.
5 pencils.
Yes, here is number 5. How many flowers are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Where is number 6? Here is number 6. Have you find? Yes. Say yes.
Yes.
How many chocolates are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. There are 10 chocolates. Very good.